Good morning children. Welcome to the class of Hindi. See, today I am going to teach you some barakdi and some words. Yesterday in a previous class also I already explained that some barakdis and some words, how we are forming the word and how we are going to pronounce that word and which letters are there in that one, which letters added by that, how many letters and how many places and how we are adding that letters. I explained already. Now same I am going to continue. See that first today in that today's class, today's topic is barakdi only. See, in previous class I already explained that barakdi sounds are depending on swarakshar letters. In that swar I told you that some long vowels and short vowels. No, short vowels are only four: a, e, u, ru. Only four vowels that. Then remaining all short vowels are only four: a, e, u and ru. Remaining all long vowels. That one we are saying up to 4 seconds. Short vowel we are saying for 1 second and long vowel is 4 seconds. Now see barakdi also yesterday I finished up to ana. No, yesterday I finished up to ana. We wind up to ana only. Then next ana after what is the letter? Ta, tha, da, tha, ana. Then ta. What I told you then yesterday I explained two types of barakdi. Means in this one how we are writing easy method and how we are writing regular method. Okay, regular first I will explain regular, then easy method I will show. Okay, then ta, a ki matra means matra symbols. You already learned these symbols. You must have to remember always. Then you have to write this. See, ta, a ki matra, ta. What is the sound of this letter? Letter and symbol. Compulsory. The two sounds you have to mix and say that one. Ta. And put in the practice also. Practice this. Then ta, choti e ki matra. I told you that choti e ki matra always coming before the letter. Means left side of the letter. First only the symbol coming, then we are adding the letter this one. Then next ta, badi e ki matra. See, everywhere I am writing first letter and symbol, then I am completing with header. What you have to do? You must have to write the letter and symbol and finish with the header. And what are the sounds of this one? Ta or badi e ki matra. Ta, e ki matra. Ta and e. Sound, both sounds you have to mix and have to say. Ti. Ta, badi e ki matra, ti. See, next ta, u ki matra. Ta, u ki matra, tu. Ta, u ki matra, tu. Ta, ru ki matra, tru. See, here short vowel and long vowel. Both are there. This is short, this is long. See, this is short, this is long, this is short. Means how many seconds I told you that to take that short vowel? Only for 1 second. Means ta, choti e ki matra, ti. Okay, then next long vowel. How many seconds we have to say the long vowel? Up to 4 seconds. Ta, badi e ki matra, ti. Then 4 seconds. Up to 4 seconds you have to say. If you study this type, then which word is writing or what we are writing, if anybody is saying the word or you are reading any book or anything, if you saw the word how we are going to read, means if you learn this barakdi, what are the symbols and letters, by knowing that, then only you are going to read a word then. See, ta, u ki matra, ta and u, tu means both sounds, ta, u. 2, 1 second and 4 seconds each one. Then next ta, ru ki matra, through after ru ki matra after what is the symbol? What is the letter? Ta and ye ki matra. ता ए की मात्रा ते, ता आई की मात्रा तई, ता ओ की मात्रा तो. Always letter and symbol. Which letter is there? Which letter symbol is there? You must have to identify that. Okay. The next ता औ की मात्रा तौ, ता अम की मात्रा तम, ता आहा की मात्रा ताहा. See what are the letters? Which barakadi we are learning? Ta. And this sound only. With this letter sound we are adding the symbols then. That symbol and that sound both we have to take out, and for 1 second, for 1 second, for 4 seconds. Okay. Everywhere if you remember like this, you can read easily the barakadi then. Ta after what is the letter? Tha. Tha barakadi easy method I will show that. One is a regular way I shown. Now easy way. What are the symbols in Hindi matraएं? See, first I did not have the matra. I did not have matra. Then we are starting with आ की मात्रा. Which matra it is? आ की मात्रा, छोटी ई की मात्रा, बड़ी ई की मात्रा, छोटी ऊ की मात्रा. Why we are writing downwards when we write the barakadi? We know that why we are writing there. Then give the gap. Then छोटी ऊ की मात्रा, बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा और रू की मात्रा. Afterwards we have to give the gap. Then next ए की मात्रा. Then next आई की मात्रा. Then next ओ की मात्रा. See next औ की मात्रा. When I am writing symbols, in that one also I am giving last time header. After completing the symbol only I am finishing with the header. Which letters do you, which symbol it is having. Then next की मात्रा. Then aha की मात्रा. See which barakadi we are writing? Tha barakadi, no? Then I did not have matra, we have to write a tha letter. Then afterwards what we have to do? Then add tha everywhere. Which letter you are writing the barakadi, no? Only that letter you have to add next to the symbol. But where you have to add and how you have to read this one, you must have to know that. See, tha before the matra. See, I am written a ki matra before only I am adding the tha. See here also tha. Tha did not have full header. Are you seeing the gap? Then barakadi also continuing same like that. Okay? See, tha, choti e ki matra, thi. Symbol is this way means before. I told you no, before the letter choti e ki matra is coming then. Badi e ki matra after the letter. No? Then we have to add here tha. Easy. No? Then what we have to do here, we have to write tha only. Touch the symbol compulsory then. Okay? Tha u की मात्रा thu. Tha u की मात्रा thu. Then next tha ru की मात्रा through. Then next tha a की मात्रा. See? Tha and a. What are the sound? What is the symbol? Compulsory. Then where I am writing only I am adding just tha letter only. See? Tha o की मात्रा tho, tha au की मात्रा thau, tha am की मात्रा thum. Then next tha aha की मात्रा tha. See, easy way. I shown the regular way and easy way. Like that every barakadi you can write. Okay, how many up to where you can write? Only ka to ha letters. Remaining the letters did not have the barakadi, and we are using the symbol of that swar letters. That swar letter symbols only using to read to write a barakadi, and afterwards to write a word, and we can convert into word. When the word comes, how we are going to pronounce that? You must have to read the letter and symbol. Both you must have to say them. Tha after what is the letter? Da. this is little difficult. Okay. Da, how we are writing da barakadi? Regular method. Da a की मात्रा da, da छोटी ई की मात्रा, छोटी ई की मात्रा, सी छोटी ई की मात्रा. ओके. दी, दा बड़ी ई की मात्रा, दी. The next, दा छोटा ऊ, छोटी ऊ की मात्रा. How we are going to give? See u, where the letter was ended, where letter was end, then that hanging top one, no, this one curved line it is there, no, we have to attach the symbol to there only. Little difficult to from there, no. Then da u की मात्रा du, da ru की मात्रा द्रु. Then next, da a की मात्रा de. What is that? Da a की मात्रा, da and a sound. Okay. After this, I will explain that what are the letters and what which sound is there. No. Da I की मात्रा dai, da o की मात्रा do, da au की मात्रा dau. Same. Da am की मात्रा dam, da aha की मात्रा daha. See, symbol and letter. A symbol. What is that symbol here? Da written. I am written da. And what is the sound? A. Da plus a. Da. Then here choti e. For 1 second I told you, no? E. Choti e means first e. That one for 1 second only. Da plus e. The. Both sounds for 1 second only. Da first e. Choti e. The. The next, da badi e, e की मात्रा. Symbols we studied, no. Then badi e की मात्रा means 4 seconds. Up to 4 seconds you have to say this one. Di, दीर्घ स्वर. हस्व स्वर, दीर्घ स्वर. Da बड़ी ई की मात्रा दी. Da छोटा ऊ du. Da plus u du. Da u means da u की मात्रा du. Then next, da ru की मात्रा dru. For 1 second only. I told you, no. Da plus ru dru. Da and a de. Up to 4 seconds we have to say. Da plus a de. Then next, da plus I dai. Da I dai. Then da o की मात्रा, da plus o की मात्रा do. How many seconds? Only 4 letters only we are having the for 1 second and remaining all for 4 seconds. Okay. Da au की मात्रा, da plus au dau. Then da am की मात्रा, da am dam. Da aha की मात्रा daha. Easy, no? Then afterwards, after this barakadi, what is the letter next one? Then it is a dha. How we are going to write this dha letter and what are the sounds of that one? Okay. Dha is a mahapran letter. Which one it is? It is a mahapran akshar. No, mahapran means we have to keep our energy to say this one. Dha. No. While reading, no, you must have to read properly. Pronunciation is compulsory. If you know that one, then only we know the word. Okay. Dha. Dha. A की मात्रा dha. Dha. छोटी ई की मात्रा. See why I gave the gap here. Why I given the gap here? See here some gap is there. No, it is continuing in all the बाराखड़ी lines. धा बड़ी ई की मात्रा धी for 4 seconds. Okay. धा u की मात्रा for 1 second. U. I said u 1 second only. No. धा u की मात्रा धू. धा ऊ की मात्रा धू for 4 seconds this one. No, dha plus u, dhu, dha plus ru, dhru. See, everywhere I did not finish the header there. That gap is compulsory. Okay. Then dha a की मात्रा धे, धा आई की मात्रा धई, धा ओ की मात्रा धो, धा औ की मात्रा धौ, धा अम की मात्रा धम, धा आहा की मात्रा धाहा. See what is the letter and what are the symbols I gave. This one Mahapranaksha I told you, no. Then you have to say that Mahapranaksha and along with the symbol. Then this is for 1 second. This is for 4 seconds. Dha plus a. What is the symbol there? You are reading symbols. You can know the symbols now. Then see that the symbol. What is the sound of that symbol? Symbol and letter both you have to add and say that one. Dha a की मात्रा धा. What is that? Dha a, dha. धा छोटी ई की मात्रा धी for 1 second. No. धा ई की मात्रा धा plus ई धी, धा plus ई धी. Then धा ई both sounds धी. धा plus उ की मात्रा धा plus उ धू, धा plus उ. What is that? उ धू. धा plus उ धू, धा plus रू ध्रु. Then धा ए की मात्रा. Which मात्रा is that? धा ए की मात्रा धे, धा and आई धई, धा and ओ धो, धा and औ धौ. Then next is धा plus धम. Then धा plus aha धाहा. Okay. Then next बाराखड़ी you can write by writing the symbols also. See, only symbols. Only symbols. See, no, give the symbol, write the symbols this way, and we can add the letter there. No, I told you that A did not have symbol. We are starting from here. No, you can write this type. By writing this type, you can know easy way. You can write all the barakadis this type then. Okay. Okay. Just we are adding the na letter here. No, this one coming before then. Then next this one afterwards. This one down. This one also there. No? See, by knowing this, what is the use? We can read a word, we can convert into a word then. Easily we can find out the word, what is the word and what is the symbol in that one. If you know the letter and symbol, that letter and that symbol sound, both if you are mixed and saying that, then if you taken out the pronunciation, you can read anything then. Okay? Okay children, but you must have to know all the letters compulsory and all the symbols compulsory. Symbols are very easy, only 13, and you can easily remember those symbols. Okay? Then A, E, U. I told you that how many seconds you must have to take out the symbol sound and letter sound also. These are Alpapran and Mahapran letters and Anunasik Vyanjans are there. That three together, if you know this all the letters that how to pronounce, then Alpapran means easy pronunciation letters and Mahapran means some hard way to pronounce that one. No, if you know by this all, if you read this way, you can read any word. Easily you can read a word then. See, see up to where I explained, no, up to where I explained, then put in the practice and practice on the paper. Today's topic is to write matraye and kaatu ga barakhadi. Okay, 3 barakhadis and symbols. Practice on the paper and post in your concert class group.